Good evening, friends. Welcome back to Super 25, India's largest online stock traders conference. We are in the 22nd session of our 25 webinar series. We have with us today Mr. Sumit Jain, who is the trader and is a part of the Centrum Broking Limited. I know Sumit from the past 3 years. He is from Mumbai. He is a passionate trader, a derivative and technical analyst. Sumit is also a CMT. By education, he is an engineer, and then he's a PGD in his finance. We see him in regular programs across various business channels. He's also more into stock related game shows. His topic of today is trading systems. Friends, we had enough sessions on strategies and other things. Today, Sumit is trying to explain you the other perspective of seeing various things in trading systems, the why and how. This is going to be a very interesting session. I am sure you guys would love it. Sumit, thank you so much for being a part of this program. I welcome you on behalf of the entire audience and the extended Traders Gurukul community.
Yes, good evening, Ashok, and thank you very much for a generous introduction. So, hello everyone. Like Ashok mentioned, my name is Sumit Jain, and I have been in the markets for past 15 years. I have been on the both sell side of the business and buy side of the business, and managing funds professionally also. And I've started my career with broking companies, and now I am on the buy side of the business, wherein I manage funds in treasuries or for companies where I'm employed. And there are some things that I realized while after looking at how why do we come in the markets and how markets treat us is just reflection of what we think. So I was just having a chat with Ashok, and my session was kept in the latter part of the is Super 25 only for the reason that after learning so many strategies, there is like a bombardment of ideas. Now, which idea to choose and how to go about it is what I am going to help you decide. I am not going to decide that for you, nor is Ashok going to decide that for you. It is for yourself to figure it out that which one suits you best. And this webinar of mine is all regarding that only. So what I would urge you is quickly grab a pen and paper. Wherever you feel that you want to ask a question, I would urge you to write down that question, because it is very tough to explain so many things in a span of 1.5 hours, 60 to 90 minutes. And we will try to take up as many as questions that are there that come up. So hope you enjoy, and let's start right away. So some quick questions also I'll be asking, and I expect everyone to reply on the chat whether so initially I asked a question. This is a diversified crowd that you trade. Someone trades index, someone trades intraday, someone trades bank nifty only, or someone trades positional, someone trades swing. So this is a good diversified crowd, and I hope you'll be benefited with the webinar. So I would like to say, trading is just like any other business. What is the purpose of trading? The purpose of trading is to produce profits. The main reason I am reading out this definition of trading. The main reason of a trading system.
Sumit, the people cannot see the slide. Can you run the slideshow, please? We are still in the first slide. Slides are not changing.
Okay. Now?
No. Can you run the slideshow?
I have run the slideshow. Is it visible now?
Not really. Give me 1 second. Let me fix it.
Sure.
Okay. I will change the presenter to myself. Okay. All right. Now I will change the presenter rights again. Make another attendee the presenter. Sumit. Okay. Sumit, I gave you presentation rights. Can you check once?
Is it visible now?
Not yet.
Now?
Not yet.
I think.
1, 2, 3, go.
So hello everyone. We are welcome to my webinar. My name is Sumit Jain, and I have been in the markets for past 15 years. I have been on the broking side as well. I have been on the fund management side, and there are a couple of things that I learned I would like to share with you. I just about to happen to mention a couple of minutes ago that I was having a word with Ashok, and I think past 20, 22 sessions, 22, 23 odd sessions, you have learned a lot of strategies. Now the point is that there are a lot of strategies out there in the markets, a lot of things are there out in the market, but you have to decide for yourself that which strategy you need to deploy for yourself, because profitability from trading is a function of what is there inside you, not what is out there. Many of you trade different asset classes, many of you trade intraday, many of you trade swing trading, many of you know different setups, different charting methods. Someone trades on based on news, someone trades based on a lot of things, but then ultimately profitability I feel is a function of what you think, what you decide for yourself. So my webinar today is based on on that idea. Now I would like to read out this definition. The purpose of trading is to produce profits, and the main reasons a trading system helps these pursuits are quantifiability, verifiability, consistency, and objectivity. Now these are four very basic aspects of a trading system. Why do you need a trading system in the first place? Can anyone quickly tell me why does anyone need a trading in the first place? Ashok?
Yes. People
Okay.
say positive expectancy. You're able to read, Sumit? Answers?
Yes, I'm able to read. To make money, to inculcate discipline. Yes, very good points. To follow some rules, data processing, getting fast data and fast execution. Rule based, yes, rule based is something. So basically it's a good thing. I'm lucky to have such an audience where, if they understand why do you need a trading system. Now before deciding on what trading system do you need, there are hundreds of systems out there. I've learned the best of strategies, work in the best of markets from the best of speakers in India in past couple of sessions. Now which trading strategy should you deploy is what my webinar should help you about. Ashok, can we go to the next slide, please? So this is the agenda today. You should expect to understand these few points that we are going to discuss upon. Why use a trading system? Why should you use a plan? Why you should have a plan in place before you sit on the screen, before you deploy money on trading. There are some notes on entries, some notes on exits, which I feel are very important. Everywhere you know that you can use a moving or average crossover system, or you can use market profile. All systems are good. No systems are bad. No trading methodology is bad. It is entries and exits that define your profitability. And I have some notes on them. What is backtesting? What is optimization? Why backtesting is important? Then after backtesting and optimization, there are certain statistics that a system throws, that the data that you get, that the data is generated after that. How can you use that data? And then a final word on money management. No trading system, no methodology is complete without a word on money management, because that is the most important thing. I have met many traders, many investors who don't know ABC of markets, just they have got super money management skills, and still they make money. They make huge amounts of money. And I know people who basics are awesome, their understanding of markets is awesome, but they are bad at money management and they end up losing a lot of money. This is what we should expect. What I urge is, please grab a pen and paper, you get stuck anywhere, you don't understand anything, we'll be more than happy to take questions. We'll have this as an interactive seminar, interactive webinar, and we'll go ahead. Yes, sir. 5th slide, please. So first, we'll take devising a trading plan. Like I already mentioned, at the risk of being repetitive, I would like to mention again, there are loads of strategies. Can I know which strategies does everyone use for trading? What kind of strategies? You can type in the chat box: price action, breakout, swing trading, trend following, breakout, price action, indicator based, Fibonacci reversals, candlesticks, Ichimoku, breakout, volatility based, Bollinger Bands, PNF, pivot trading, point and figure. Good. That is enough. So what is the basic? First question that you should ask yourself is, what is the basic level? What is the purpose of your system? Are you in it for capital appreciation, or are you in it for regular income? These are the two major questions that you need to ask yourself, because if you are in it for capital appreciation, if you have got a secondary income, if you have got a primary income and stock market is your secondary income, then just sit and buy, wait out for some time. You can do a buy and hold strategy and you can earn money. But when you are looking at stock market for a regular income, then you have to be nimble. You have to do small swing trades. You have to do intraday. You have to do T+1, T+2. I'm not saying any trading is bad. Intraday is good or bad. I am not commenting that. That is the latter part. But first you need to decide that what is your purpose of devising a system. By system, I don't mean that you need to write codes and lines and software, everything. You should just have a plan on a piece of paper, that what is the purpose of my system, and why am I sitting on the screen, and why am I putting so much of my time and effort, and why am I trying to understand how the market will give me money. Is this clear? Is this point clear? So this is a basic level question. After this basic level question comes another level question, that how am I going to, first you have to understand that what is the purpose of my system. Is it the purpose is capital appreciation or regular income? Then the second question comes that what is the risk level? What is the risk level I'm trying to take? Whether I'm trading for a living or trading for my employer. Like in my case, I'm trading for my employer. So the risk based is it's people's money. I'm trading for a bank, so it's bank's money. Is my audio clear?
It's perfect.
Okay, great. It prompted me, close some internet applications because the audio might be unclear. Anyways, so and how much trading capital I am ready to commit. So I think over here people are doing trading for themselves, personal traders. Yeah, Dipesh has a question. What is trading system for regular income? See, basically trading system for regular income is something like, when you are trading for a living, whatever money that you earn in life comes only from trading. You don't have a job, you don't have a business, you are just trading full time. That is basically trading for regular income. If you have a job or you have a business, you have a regular income. But then people who trade only in markets and they earn money, that is called regular income, trading for regular income. So this is the basic level question will answer the second question. The second will give rise to a third question, that what is the time frame that you are having to achieve these goals.